Welcome to React 101. In this course, what we're going to be doing is creating a randomized Star Wars character generator using an API. So every time you click this button, it's going to find a new character for you using an API. You're going to get hands-on experience with components, state, API requests, updating your state, working with props. You're going to create a brand new application using the React create new app command, and then we're going to replace it with our own called Star Wars. The project at the end of this course is really fun. I demoed it before, I'll demo it again. It is simply a random character generator, and this works with an API. Hi, now why do I think you should learn React? I think you should learn React because it is a high demand skill that a lot of web development agencies and freelancers need to know. And so pretty much any job out there is going to want you to learn React. And this is a really good introduction into how React works. A few prerequisites: you do need to know HTML, you should know a little bit of CSS, and you should be quite familiar with JavaScript before taking this course. React uses advanced JavaScript, and that means you need to know advanced JavaScript. If you're ready to start building a fun random character generator using an API, then this is the course for you. Look no further, and I will see you, hopefully, in that first lesson.